the formula is 1 times plus. So you have to write what? 2, 2, 2, 2. Last one is minus 2. Then this one is c plus t by 2. C minus t by 2. Only this is SC. Rest all are CS. CS. Over. So now we'll continue with the problems. Till third one we are done. So question number 4. So I think this time we'll have to solve both left hand side as well as right hand side. And start with the left hand side first. Now apply sin c plus sin d formula. This you keep out on. Apply sin c plus sin d formula to sin of c plus d by 2 and cos of c minus d by 2. Cot 4x, leave him outside only. Now simplify this. If you are not getting the right hand side, solve the right hand side also and see both the ways. So try take the right hand side also and solve. Apply sin c minus sin d. One more part is also they can do this. Cot can be written as what? Cos upon sin. Then you can cancel out if it is getting simplified. Yeah. Cot can be written as this is a left hand side after solving. Whether you write cos x first, cos 4x, that doesn't matter. Now same way, take the right hand side and start solving. Apply sin c minus sin d formula. This is what first side, no? Right hand side solve and see if you're getting anything. Left hand side, everybody finished? Try the right hand side. Because this and this is not same, so we have to solve the right hand side also. Sin c minus sin d formula. So 2 cos of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. Now cot can be written as what? Cos upon sin. Sorry, this is sin. So sin will cancel. Same, whether this is this side, this both answers are same. Therefore, left hand side equals to right hand side. You can try the next one then. Apply sin c plus sin d to the numerator and apply cos c plus cos d to the denominator. The next problem. Numerator you apply sin c plus sin d, upon denominator you apply. Yeah, angles are different, no? Apply. Though two are there. Okay, some mistake might be there. Both will be cos then, the denominator. Make it both cos. Let's see. Hopefully. Fifth one, just correct this. Plus cos 3 actually. Cos this is correct this. Instead of sin, it is cos. So numerator, you apply sin c plus sin d. Denominator, you apply cos c plus cos d form. Not getting? Just check, huh? Not sure. Not getting the answer. So what is sin upon cos? So something else is there? No. Rest is getting in. Okay. हाँ, मैं आंसर you have to get 10 for x only. And that is what I'm thinking why asking this. This is 2 sine of c plus d by 2 cos of. Everybody understood at least how to apply the formula? Anyone having difficulty, then get it cleared. Huh? So C and C. Over. Now what will happen? This 2 and this 2 will cancel. Sine upon causes. Try the next one. Sixth one, cos C minus cos D. And then 7th one, you are trying. Which combination you are to? Which combination you took first? This is the okay. Yeah, directly first also you could have cancelled the problem. Six one. Everybody got answer? I'm directly taking the left hand side. Now there are three terms, if you see. So like this, if there are three terms, you know that you can apply formula to any of the two terms. So you cannot simply take any combination whenever there are three. You have to check. So you have to take a pair in such a way that if you add, you know that c plus d by 2. If you do 4x plus 3x, how much you'll get? 7x. Okay, 7x upon 2 you will get c plus d by 2. Which is not going to match with this. 3 plus 2 will give me 5 if I take this combination. 3 plus 2, 5 upon 2 fraction will get like that. Okay, which is not the same as this one. So take a combination, you know that this and this. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 upon 2 will be 3. So that way combination. So add them and divide by 2 and see. It should be equal to the third one. So what you do is rearrange the terms now. Cos 4x plus cos 2x you write together. And this odd one out. Keep him aside. Just using bracket. Now apply cos c plus cos t formula here. Sin c plus sin d formula here. These terms you keep them as it is. And then solve. Cos c plus cos d. C and C. Both are cos and cos only. For exam, you write a pattern at the side and keep so that you can directly refer. Here 2 and 2 we cannot cancel now, like previous problems. Directly we cannot cancel because there is a plus sign. So this is like one term, the second term. If this was into, we could cancel. So do not cancel this 2 right now. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 upon 2 will be 3. You can do like this also directly. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 upon 2 is x. Four plus 2 is 6 upon 2 is you cannot cancel just like this 2 and 2 cos and cos like that we cannot cancel directly again. Now you have to check till this step everybody understood? Okay. Now what is common between both the terms? Here cos x, cos 3x is common and here denominator sin 3x is common. So take out that common next step. So take wait. Yes. Here take cos 3x common, here take sin 3x common in the denominator. Who will remain in this fellow's place? 1. Like this. Now this is multiplication. So this entire term will cancel. And now cos upon sin is both combinations should be same. 2 times you have to apply. Eka apply karo and eka apply. 2 hunja say auto 2. Okay, that. Now which combination you took? 5 and 9 is 14. 7 and 3 is 10. So 5 and 7, 9 and 3. 12 don't equal as then it will work. Whenever 4 terms are there, 3 terms are there, 4 terms are there, they will give you in such a way, one plus that should be equal to the other 2 combination. Understood? So, 3 etle na 4 etle. 4 then this. This type are not done, with 4 not yet reached. So must have done. No? Here must have not reached there yet. That time I was busy talking. So whenever 4 terms are there, now you know that 2 and 2 you'll have to apply. Take a pair of 2. Now which pairs we have to take? So what you have to do is whenever 4 terms, 3 terms you know how to check. Add the 2 and divide by 2, it should be equal to the third one. But now whenever 4 terms are there, check. 5 plus 9 is how much? 14. And 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. It is not matching. Okay, both combinations should be same. Again, if you do 9 and 7, it will be 16. 5 and 3, it will be 8. So which one you can take? 5 and 7, which is 12. What about 9 and 3? 12. So take that combination, which will be equal. They will always give you in such a way that this plus this should be equal to the other this plus. So now, while writing, make sure you are writing the bigger number first. Otherwise, you will get minus sign, then smaller number minus big. So may take this as C, the other one as D. Seven I'm writing first, five I'm writing next. This and this combination. This whole term you could write this side also, no problem. But write, if all are plus sign, make sure you are writing the bigger number first to avoid minus signs. Same combination you write in the denominator. And now start applying the formula. So either three terms will come or four terms. So three terms you know how to do, and four terms also now you all know. So take a combination such a way that A plus B will be same as the other one. Now you are getting the answer. Next class, get a class notebook, college notebook. You have college notebook? College notebook.
The individual was writing beside of the paper. He is coming and giving him problem. Solve it.
A is using instead of X. Okay. That is the only difference. This what we proved last class. This formula. यहाँ क्या लाना है? Cot 15. All this. Oh, A formula the double angle. These ones, which I did. Only in terms of X I have done. He has done in terms of A. So you have learned in terms of A. Same number. All are same. See, instead of 1, we have to take sin square theta plus cos square. All those same ones. Yes, good. Then after that, we have started with the, these are some of the identities. So this I'll do in the next class. And these are the same ones. See, क्या बताता है with 4 he has not done. Same problem. Then solve this. So 9 plus 3 will be 12. So you'll get 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, then take common. Done? Then try the next one. Try the ninth one. Done? Ninth yellow stuck. Eighth one you got. 2 times zigzag is common. Not required actually to take 2 also out. If you can avoid directly, you can take 6 out, whichever. As a whole term, it will cancel out. Do not directly cancel numerator and denominator terms here. Like this, we cannot cancel. Take the ninth one. Sin C minus sin D. And that one, denominator you keep as it is because we can use that formula, double angle. Last class, we this formula you have to learn also. Huh? Sin 2x, double angle formula, we had proved also. Only rosaries they are using A instead of X. That's just it. That's the only difference. Sir has used A for here. Sin 2x, it's like he has two children, sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x, and the other one is 2 tan x upon 1 plus n square. First one. Second one, cos 2x has 4 children. Cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus 4. And third one is tan 2x. Tan 2x has only one child. So this, I told you, only no need to buy at least the triple angle much like too much, but at least these ones you have to know. Okay. Now you see the next problem, ninth one. Here, which formula? This is C and this is D. This is simple. Sin C minus sin D. Here we cannot apply sin C minus cos D. There is no formula like this, and there is no formula with square. Even if you try A minus B into A plus B also, this and this term is not same. So that formula we cannot apply. Okay, so here numerator we will solve as it is, or simultaneously also we can do. Which formula you know? If this was plus, then it would be straight away 1. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. But now minus. So we know this formula. What is the value of this? Cos 2x. But who is there in this place? The formula which we know is cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. But this is ulta, correct? How to make it again back to its place? You can take minus common in the next step. So you can take minus common. Both simultaneously also you can solve, or you can wait and then solve. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking minus common here. So this will come here, this will go here. Remember, A minus B, if I want to make it ulta, I have to take it common. So this will come. And what is the value of this from this formula? Cos square. So denominator part is solved. This part is over. So solve now. C and D formula you apply and solve this part. Numerator part is solved. A minus B can make minus C should come here. No. Oh, sin C minus sin D laila. Minus eta angle with minus na sin of x minus 3x is how much? Minus 2x. Sign of negative is what? Negative. So negative will come out again. Good. If you'll make mistakes, no problem. You'll at least remember them for exam that this was the mistake which had happened. So this is minus already. Here's cos. Again sign, no? So this and this minus will cancel first. Because you can cancel now because this is into sign. Which one? Sin C minus, sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm thinking it as cos C minus. Then this minus is not there. Wait. No, Ray, this minus will not be there. Raw Machir. Oh, yeah, I know. Wait. Or cos and cos sin, correct. Or minus na. I was thinking of cos C minus cos C for me. Magi minus etla by. Cos of C plus D by 2, sin of C minus D by 2. CS it is. Second one, second formula. First one is cos. Second formula. I was thinking of the fourth formula. Cos C minus. Okay. Okay, no confusion, no, till this part. Okay, no, with this, okay. No, except Gerald. Okay. Now, you'll get it as this minus is there. 2 cos of 4x upon 2 and sin of minus 2x upon 2. Minus x you will get now after cancelling, correct? In this step you will get. Again cos 2x you can cancel. Now, simultaneously, negative is there. Now I want to remove it out. Which quadrant you have to think of? Negative means always fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sign is negative. You know that. So this minus will come out. So this minus will come out. Only if it was cos, then it would have anyways come out as plus. Only for cos and sec it becomes positive, the fourth quadrant. Otherwise it comes out. Anyways, you know the answer has to be positive. So even if the minus is remaining, remove that minus out and make it plus. 10th one. Write the left hand side. If this square was here, then it would not, you would not be able to apply cos C plus cos D formula. And here, it, inside the bracket, so this you can treat it as C, and it's one as. So apply cos C plus cos D here, apply sin C minus sin. And whatever answer you get, put a square for it. So 2 cos of C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D. And then put a square because there is a whole square. Like that only, write for the next one. Cos C plus cos D is both are C and C. And don't write A plus B the whole square. Just don't give this square here. Huh? Some of them just open up the bracket. You all give square here, you all give square here. It is not possible. A plus B the whole square is not A square plus B square. This is wrong. A square plus 2AB plus B square it is. Till this step, everybody got this and this. My next one करायचं. तेव्हा गेलाय 11-1 4 आहे. Yes, yes, उडामध्ये झालं. आता स्क्वेअर दोघ जण डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कराय. Square, see, square will belong to everybody now. 2 also, cos also, cos also. So this will become 4. 2 square is 4. This square will come here. Again, since it is into, because this is into, you can give it directly to everybody. Like 2AB square. So it's like 4A square B square, like that. If there was plus sign, then we couldn't directly give that. This plus, you don't worry, this is inside the angle. So that directly this is belonging here. Again, cos square. This is your angle. This is entire thing like your theta. 4. That's called common between both the terms. Now see, this is one term and this is one term. And दोघजण भितर कोण common? Cos square x plus y common. And 4 is common. So take 4 common and this is common both the place. So take this fellow out, common. Whatever I have circled is common in both the terms. So like this it will remain after taking out common. 4 cos square is gone, so this is remaining from here. 4 cos square is gone out, so sin. Can anyone tell me what is the value of this? 1. Because this is also like a theta, same angle, no? So what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. This value is 1. Anything into 1 will be same answer. Exactly same way, try the next one. 11th one, try the same way. Done? 11th one got answer? Yes, yes. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ನ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. Yes, yes, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. Or minus, no? Minus 2 square is anyways what? Plus 4. Minus 2 the whole square is anyways plus 4. Then take the common term out. Huh? Minus is which one is one? 12th one. Take the left hand side. Now 4 terms are there. Now you know how to take which combinations whenever 4 terms are there. 12th one. Take all the 4 terms and check which combination to take. What no? You got the answer no? Done. Yeah, anything into one is this only, no? That's only what you wanted. 4 you forgot to write out. So this is not there. Remove this. 4 is also common, no? No, you got the answer. Don't go to overthink. You will forget everything. You have to build that confidence that you can do. Then try the next one. Ina? No, try know what is there. Which combination you took? No. Huh? X and sin x matter. Oi. 8 and oi, correct. Sin 7 पॉइल बरं sin x बरं मागे bigger number first. 5 आणि 3 combination. झालं मागीर किती झाला की तेला well reached. Oi. Okay. Now take what is common. How both places you got the same. And your plus कितकोन झालो? Into ने रेतो 2 times. Which formula re? Even C plus D is product जातना रहता. Since when you started writing plus?
C plus D.
Okay, first. Okay, got it. Combination बरे ते ना. सत्य भाषण बरले आता. मैं दोन्ही सेम येत आहे. How? First of all, 7 minus 1 is how much? 6. My common card 8. My potun cos C plus cos T formula किती लावा बटन. देखला डायरेक्ट करपा शिरी पण ओव्हर स्मार्ट जर माहिती सत्य. 4 term, no? Which combination? Check. What plus what should be same as the other one. So 3 and 5 will give you 8. Then 7 and 1 will give you 8, like that. So 7 you write, bigger number you write first, like that. 7 x plus sign. 7 and 1, no? 5 and 3, that combination. So write the bigger number first, before writing bigger number. Yalla. Not getting? Yeah, you can cos 3 first, yeah, right there. Even if you are getting negative, not a problem. Then you have to check in the 4th quadrant. But to avoid that, why to every time check in the 4th quadrant? I ask you to write bigger number first. So that bigger minus smaller will give you positive rather than taking that. But it is not wrong. Like what you are doing also is not wrong. But only if you don't want that headache of checking 4th quadrant. And even if you had got negative here now, 4th quadrant, what happens? Cos is positive. So even if you get negative, you have to make positive and write down. Then take the common term out. Sorry. Jarala Vashandala. Jammali something. Now again, what you have to do? Apply cos C plus cos T form. One more. Then we get that. Two is there. Go ahead and do the 13th one. Which combination? 3x and that sin x. 3 plus 1 will be 4. So 4 upon 2 will be 2, like that. 3 plus 2 you cannot take because 5 you will get, which will not be equal to the third term. Which combination you took? Should get them. What is common? Yeah. Nothing is working, then always look at the which is that formula, those double angle formula, and try to simplify. Somebody's value will have to put. One of the children. So you get all the terms. Get rearrange the terms whichever they want and they write it as right hand. Negative, if you are getting, no problem. Cos of negative in fourth quadrant is anyways positive. So just make it directly plus and right. Only when sign is there, that time you have to bring that minus out. Now anyways, that is cos 2x. X, correct. Cos of x, yeah, that's it. And 2 into 2 will become 4. This, how you got 4? That is of that sign. Okay, this 2 into this 2 will give you 4. And rearrange the terms and write. Which one is first as per that? And cos. Check for the double angle formula and try to substitute. Got 13 one. Got. Take the variable melted down. Hello, some clean जरा शिकोपा लक्ष दिया. this and this combination. 3 plus 1 is 4. Whenever 3 terms are there, I told you like that. Add and then upon 2 you see should be equal to the third. Is upon 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. Half of that should be here. List available getting?
Yes.
काय common ना सध्या. This and this don't take sign out and keep x and 2x out. Huh? You cannot take common like that. Sign you cannot take. You cannot separate sign from its angle. So this is a double angle formula 2x. So you can think of those double angle formula. We are not interested anywhere in terms of tan. So the first formula, what is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. So first of all, तो घालपाचो एक. Put. So the एक term लागी पावले sin x. So what is common now? Take 2 sin x common. Sorry, term missing. 4 sin x cos x से पद है. Now what you can do? Oh, cos 2x a formula directly गेला. नाला c plus d formula second. तर एक टर्म एक्स्ट्रा होता ना 3/2 येता. किती मिस्टेक झाली काय नंबर्स नाला cos 2x a some mistake over here by any chance we are not getting this. पोतून फ्रॅक्शन येतले 3x/2 येता. 1 second 3 or cos and sin no by any chance तरी cos काय wait you have a textbook right textbook you have. I'll check if there is any mistake in the question. Fine. Sin 3x. Yeah, तो नाच ऐसा Question is missing. It is correct. The right hand side I wrote wrong. So 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Question number 7. Just correct the right hand side. Right hand side should be this. Cos x. मैं कितना आ रहा था 4 sin x cos x मागीर x by 2 आणि cos 3x by 2. और tomorrow you go to this first. This part was missing in the answer. That is why we not get x by 2 cos 3x by 2. This should be the answer. So apply cos t plus cos t. So it is correct. It's there in the textbook under miscellaneous exercise, question number 7. Okay. So this, I think while writing, I missed that part. So it is correct. We'll get the answer now. Try. Cos c plus cos d you apply, you'll get the right hand side. Correct it on the notes also. Getting the answer? Cos, both are cos. So understood how to apply this type formula? So only some miscellaneous problems are there, so that we'll do in the next class. So these are all the common problems which we have done. So we'll wait till your college finishes the chapter, and then extra here and there that we'll do during the revision time. So whichever we have missed out.